The hardest thing in life to learn is which bridge to cross and which to burn. A funny thing happened on the way to getting my channel monetized. All the metrics were looking really good, and then the channel just broke. It started in August 2022. Views for my channel started to drop off, and then each time I uploaded a new video, the views dropped even faster. It got so bad that I finally stopped posting altogether. It took a while before I realized something was happening. I was making the same kind of videos in August as I was making in July, but something changed. I've been banned from posting comments on Citizen Free Press for some unknown reason. But in this day, if you haven't been banned from one social media platform or another, well, you're just not trying hard enough. I never received a message from YouTube that there was a problem with any of the videos on my channel. So I guess that wasn't it. I decided to keep looking, see what I could find. To explain what I found, you're going to need to know a little bit about what YouTube calls impressions. Each time YouTube shows you the image of a video it thinks you might want to watch, that's called an impression. And if you click on that image and watch the video, that's called a view. When you look at the number of impressions YouTube has to show before somebody finally watches the video, that's your click-through ratio. 5 to 1 would be good. 10 to 1, that's okay. 20 to 1, that's not so good. Think of impressions as the advertising budget for your YouTube channel. And YouTube's algorithm controls the budget. Here's a quick illustration to help explain what happened. Each one of these glasses represents 1 month of my advertising budget. We'll call this January, July, and December of 2022. And for each 1,000 impressions I received, I'll put one of these little brass tubes in the jar. January, July, and December. It's no wonder total views on my channel tanked, even though my click-through rate remained constant. So what does it all mean? I don't really have any control over the number of impressions YouTube allocates to my channel. And it's so small now, the chances of you randomly seeing one of my videos show up in your feed is small. So your best options are one of two things. Either bookmark my channel, then you can go to my channel once every couple of months and see the new videos I put up. Your other option is you can subscribe to the channel and then turn on notifications, and YouTube will let you know when a new video has been posted. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. And you can always turn off notifications if you decide you don't want to see my videos. One last thought. YouTube says I need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time before I can monetize my channel. But lately I've noticed YouTube is putting commercials in some of my videos anyway. I'm just not getting a share of the proceeds. It makes you go, I finished clearing out all the bamboo around my pollard mulberry tree. Next step is to prune it up. That'll have to wait for another video. That was a lot of bamboo, and here in Ramilly County they consider it an invasive species, but I prefer to call it an aggressively renewable resource. So go out in the sunshine and fresh air and go make some stuff grow. And a special shout out to Rusty Shackelford for sending me the hat. Happy gardening. Now they fly at night.